Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best roller stamp is probably one of the most effective and under-the-radar ways criminals are stealing identities, and today, we are diving deep into this often overlooked method of identity theft, exploring how it works, why it's so dangerous, and most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself from becoming a victim. We will analyze its mechanics, the potential consequences, and effective preventative measures you can implement to safeguard your personal information. Number 5. Miseyo Wide Roller Stamp. It's a great alternative to shredding. You can recycle the paper after using it, saving you time and effort. Its 1.5-inch width lets you cover large areas quickly and cleanly. It's perfect for protecting sensitive information. Easily hide private information like addresses, bank details, and more. It helps prevent identity theft and protects your confidentiality. It comes with refillable ink, so you don't need to replace it. You can keep protecting your information for a long time. Stop shredding or painstakingly scribbling over sensitive information. This stamp provides a simple and efficient solution. It's ideal for a wide range of documents, from contracts and tax forms to shipping labels and bank statements. What we like. This roller stamp lets you recycle paper after use, unlike shredders. Its wide coverage quickly obscures sensitive information. If you value eco-friendliness and efficiency, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to use, full coverage, not messy, compact. It's small and dries pretty fast. Very easy to do and definitely gives me a peace of mind when throwing away documents with personal info on it. Covers sensitive materials very well. Number 4. Miseyo Wide Roller Stamp. Say hello to a simple solution for protecting your private information. It's the perfect tool for quickly and easily obscuring sensitive details on documents and packages. This isn't your average stamp. Its thick, continuous design and confidential lettering ensure complete coverage and peace of mind. It's a more eco-friendly choice than shredding. Once you've used it, you can recycle the paper, reducing waste. With its 1.5-inch width, it covers large areas in seconds. It's perfect for quickly redacting sensitive information on various documents. It's incredibly efficient. The ink dries quickly, and one swipe is all it takes to protect your information. No more tedious shredding. It's designed for long-lasting use. You can refill the ink easily when needed, providing up to 100 meters of coverage. It works great on most regular paper, envelopes, and packages. It's a versatile tool for all your privacy needs. What we like. The extra thick design ensures complete information coverage. It boasts a wide coverage area for quick and efficient use. If you need a robust and long-lasting solution for protecting your privacy, this is for you. What people say. The black ink is juicy, which works well to saturate and conceal your personal identity. Very easy to use, the roller glides quick and easily, fully masking to conceal your personal information. This device easily fits into your hand, not bulky at all. Easy to use, covers the important stuff that needs to be covered. Very durable, and the ink so far has lasted quite a while. Ink dries on the paper quickly, but not on the roller. I bought 2. They are efficient and get the job done. I like that it is wide. Covers more ground than the one I am replacing. Number 3. ExcelMark Rolling Stamp. Worried about identity theft? This innovative stamp is your solution for quickly and easily protecting your sensitive information. It's the perfect way to safeguard your privacy. Its extra-wide roller covers large areas in seconds. Adjust the length to fit your needs, making it perfect for various documents and sizes. Say goodbye to tedious shredding. This stamp is much faster and more efficient. The ink dries quickly, so you can move on to other tasks. It's pre-inked and ready to go right out of the box. Simply open the cover and start swiping. It's that simple and safe to use. With a coverage of up to 100 meters, it's built to last. And when it's time, refilling the ink is quick and easy. This stamp provides peace of mind, knowing your personal information is protected from unwanted eyes. It's a simple yet powerful tool for safeguarding your identity. What we like. It comes pre-inked and ready to use, saving you setup time. The wide coverage area means you can cover a lot of information quickly. If you prioritize convenience and speed, this stamp is ideal for you. What people say. Works great and easy to use. To combat identity theft, I shred everything. But sometimes, it's just easier to use this gadget to roll over any information and just toss the envelope. This, however, is great for things you can't shred or don't want to shred. It's great to roll over your information on your prescription bottles, on a package where you need to remove the UPC code before you return an item, or things like that. I found myself using it far more than I imagined. I have this at my desk to delete addresses and sensitive information before adding to recycling. A refill can be purchased when ink supply runs out. It is a very useful item to have to protect ID. This works amazing, spreads like warm butter and you cannot decipher the text originally underneath. Number 2. Lomil Identity Protection Roller Stamp. This identity theft protection roller stamp is your perfect shield against unwanted exposure of personal information. With a simple roll, it effectively covers sensitive details, saving you time and effort compared to shredding. It's incredibly versatile. Use it on courier bills, bank statements, or any document containing private information you want to protect. This stamp ensures your privacy across various applications. Its wide roller covers large areas quickly, so you can efficiently protect your personal information without tedious scrolling. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it offers. Opening it is simple, gently squeeze the top on both sides. And refilling is a breeze. It comes with 4 ink refills, and adding more ink is straightforward when needed. It works best on ink-absorbing paper like courier bills and envelopes. For best results, let the ink dry for a few minutes after stamping, and remember to add ink when the impression lightens. Avoid using it on film-coated paper. What we like. Get 2 stamps and 4 ink refills for double the protection and convenience. The wide roller makes quick work of covering sensitive data. If you need a cost-effective solution with extra ink, this is a great option. What people say. Covers with one swipe. It was easy to use, and if you let it dry for a minute or so, you will not be able to wash it off. Good product. This absolutely covers identifying information well. The roller doesn't jam, the cover seals securely, it's not bulky in the drawer. Number 1. ExcelMark Rolling ID Theft Stamp. Worried about identity theft? This innovative stamp is your solution. It quickly and effectively obscures sensitive personal information. Its 1.5-inch roller covers large areas in seconds. Adjust the length to fit your needs for easy and efficient use. It's much faster than shredding. The wide coverage and quick-drying ink let you protect your information in a flash. Pre-inked and ready to go, just open and swipe. It's safe, simple, and incredibly convenient. With a coverage of up to 100 meters, it's incredibly long-lasting. Plus, refilling the ink is easy and done right on the stamp itself. Don't let identity thieves steal your peace of mind. Get yours today and safeguard your sensitive information. What we like. This stamp is pre-inked and ready to go, saving you time. Its wide coverage lets you quickly obscure sensitive information. If you value convenience and speed, this is a great option for you. What people say. The rolling action is smooth and efficient, always ensuring neat and clean coverage. The fact that it comes with refill ink is a fantastic bonus, making it a cost-effective solution in the long run. This roller covers my name, address, or other sensitive information completely. It makes putting anything into the recycle bin feel secure from identity thieves. The cover pops off easily and it does not get ink all over my hands. Finally found a good one. I used to remove the labels from all my Amazon boxes for privacy reasons, so I would use a knife or scissors, which sometimes was difficult. This is quick and easy. The product comes with 3 ink recharge vials. I have only had this a month or 2 and have not had to recharge it yet. But, I bought a second one for my office so I tear up documents less often. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.